What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I will be announcing the winner of the 4K subscriber giveaway. I apologize if this is a day late, but I was not feeling well yesterday, so I was unable to complete it yesterday, but we're going to get this done today. So without further ado, let's jump into this thing. Okay guys, so here we are at the random comment picker. I've already entered the video URL. I filtered the duplicate users and I filtered the comments based on a specific text. You needed to use the word amazing. So now we're going to get those YouTube comments. Looks like we have 50 unique comments. Let's see who won this thing. Yay, Catherine! Catherine left a lovely comment that said, wow, congrats on 4K. Wow. Katie is an amazing lady. Don't know the other, but glad to check her out. Thank you for sharing and woohoo! Catherine, you are the winner of my giveaway. A huge congratulations to Catherine. Please make sure that you reach out to me either via Instagram or Facebook or my email address so that we can get your winnings sent out to you as soon as possible. Christmas is right around the corner and I was hoping, fingers crossed, to get these to you before the holiday comes. I hope everybody is having a wonderful, happy holiday season, and I thank everybody for taking the time to watch my crazy content. I appreciate all of you, and I will have more giveaways coming up in the future next year, so look forward to that. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my awesome giveaways coming up next year. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!